Traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, August 8th, and I'm going to be analyzing the US dollar yen, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on the US dollar yen, I mean, it definitely looks like the end of a wave 5, and if it is the end of a wave 5, then it will take out the lower wave 4. But this is the monthly time frame, so even if it does do that, it's probably going to take maybe 6 months, 8 months or more for that to actually happen. Or possibly it's just a correction to the last 5 waves up, which is actually what I think is going to happen on most of the other yen pairs. So we have to keep an eye out because it possibly could just make a correction to the last move up. Either way should lead to a pretty big move to the downside on shorter time frames. Going down to the weekly time frame, I would say this first trend down is definitely either a wave A or a wave 1. Eventually it is going to end this first trend and probably make a correction to this move down, which would be either wave B or a wave 2. Now the trading strategy for an A or a 1 is exactly the same, just like a trading strategy for a wave B or wave 2 is exactly the same. So it's not really important to know the difference as of yet. It's only going to be important to know the difference when it finally starts this third wave down to determine whether it's a wave 3 or whether it's a wave C, which we definitely can figure out whether it's a wave 3 or a wave C if you know a lot about Elliot wave and Fibonacci levels and Fibonacci projections. So going down to the daily time frame, we still have no higher low, no breaker structure, nothing at all telling us that this first downtrend is over. I think there's actually a pretty good chance we're going to get another push down. I think this is likely a 1, 2, 3. We're probably in a wave 4 right now. We're probably eventually going to go down again for a wave 5, all part of either a wave A or a wave 1 on the weekly time frame. So taking that all the way down to the 4-hour time frame. On the 4-hour time frame is where I got my Fibonacci retracement on the last push down right here. Now, it did kind of look like the correction was trying to end, but I think it's very, very, very likely that it's going to probably make at least one more push up to one of these higher fib levels. I think it's likely a wave 4. I think it's likely going to go up to about the 50%, and then it's probably going to go back down for the wave 5. So that would make this a 3, that would make that a 4, probably an ABC of 4, and then down for the wave 5. So keeping all that in mind, let's take it down to the 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame, like I said, it kind of looked like it already made an ABC correction, and honestly, it might have. So if this does continue to make lower highs, you probably should just keep on going short. It could just keep on going down. But to me, this move down looks extremely corrective compared to the move up. It's probably a better chance that it's actually going to break up again and probably head up to at least a 50% before it really does break structure and actually continue back down. So definitely be cautious if you are short. Keep an eye out for, big and golfing moves to the upside like breaks of structure and things like that. It kind of looks to me like it might more likely go up to the 50% before it actually does end up ending this wave 4 and continuing back down. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.